Okay, let me go, let it get its right and take off. I'm ready for the screen recording. Okay, change into sports mode. Let's go. Here it goes. Strong wind warning already. It's not a good sign, is it? So let's hope I'll do at least 2,200 meters, at least 100 meters more than last time. Let's see. It's going. It's very bright day in UK. It's not many bright days in UK these days, so I need to make most of it when I get one. It was strong wind warning. That's make me wonder. What? Already low battery. That's not a good sign either. I got I want to push it 2,500 meters. There we go. 2,500 meters. Got it. And come back. I don't think good idea. I pushed this so much. Only 3 minutes. Got 2,000 meters to come back. Definitely not a good sign. I didn't have to push it that much. Well, let's see. You have to risk a little to gain more. I know it's gonna be. See, it started beeping already. So I know it's gonna be like this. So I think I better pack up everything and start running if it's gonna force landing anytime soon. I get this false landing already. So I better run. It's about 800 meters to come back. There's no way waiting for it. Just go. It's coming, low battery, but it's about 800 meters to come back. Let's see. They forced landing already. Can't control anymore. Let's hope it's not a land under water. I can a little bit change it, like a little bit forward. That's it. At this point, I have no control whatsoever. It's forced landing. It's coming. It's landing by itself. Now water. There's two people walking on says surprised there's a landing. It's a don't land by itself, nobody around. I'm running. You can't see it. It's 400 meters. You can't see I'm running. Hopefully we'll be there by the time I get it. Let's run.